Happy morning, everyone, and welcome to day 18 of our magic book session.
Happy,
Warm welcome to all of you.
happy morning, Vandana.
Happy morning, Ma. So, how was the day yesterday? What were the experience? How did you experience yesterday after making the magic check? And some of us have really come up with innovative checks. Amazing.
Yes.
So, how was the experience? Anybody wants to share anything? Did you
Happy morning.
Happy morning. जब
Yeah,
आपने अपनी मैजिक चेक बनाई तो आपको क्या एक्सपीरियंस हुआ? Did you experience any magic in any other area of your life yesterday? So you can
yeah,
unmute yourself. Yes, somebody wants to share.
yeah, रुशिता हियर।
Yes.
मेरे साथ एक बार फिर से कल ऐसा हुआ कि अगेन मेरी लड़की एक कंपटीशन में सेमीफाइनल तक पहुंच गई है। उसमें 50 स्टूडेंट थे, 50 में से 5 को सिलेक्ट किया था और उसमें उसका है।
So nice. Awesome.
या
Lovely.
ये 15 डेज में तीसरी बार हुआ है मेरे साथ।
Yes. So
या
happy.
या थैंक यू।
Thank you. Thank you for sharing, Nushita ji. And how was your experience of making a magical check for yourself? How was it?
ये वो भी अच्छा रहा, मैंने करके कर दिया है वो भी कल।
एंड उसको आपने हाथ में लिया था, विजुलाइज किया था कि आपको क्या
या
चीज के लिए चेक चाहिए, ये अमाउंट क्या
या
चीज के लिए आपने बनाया
या या किया वो भी
और
किया।
अच्छा,
अच्छा लगा उसमें।
ओके, तो उसको अभी आपको रोज करना है?
ओके
हाँ, ऐसा नहीं कि बस कल के दिन ही करना था, अभी हमें रोज करना है। All of you,
ओके
you can hold the check in your hands every day as many times as you can and feel it as real, जैसे कि आपको वो मिल गया है और मिल गया है तो आप आप क्या चीज करोगे उस मनी से? व्हाट विल यू डू विद दैट मनी? क्या करोगे आप? कैसे स्पेंड करोगे उस मनी को? क्या बाय करोगे? क्या आपने ड्रीम आपने आपकी ड्रीम है जो आप उसको फुलफिल कर सकोगे उस मनी से? Yeah, you can fulfill your desires with that magical money. Yes, anybody else wants to share anything?
Yes,
Uma, it
Vandan.
feels you want to share anything. Yeah,
Yes. I
yeah.
healed I healed my ankle yesterday. I
Sorry?
healed my ankle.
You healed your ankle. Wow.
Yeah, I didn't heal on the first time, no? You said
Yeah.
so yesterday.
Awesome.
Yes.
Awesome.
So this time you said no, hold the area. So I held it with my hand.
Yeah.
So it's my ankle. I held it with my left hand. It's okay, or should I hold it with my
Yeah,
right
of
hand?
course, of course, of course. Absolutely
Okay.
fine. Yeah. Awesome.
Hmm.
Congrats. So now you've become a
A
healer.
healer. I become a healer.
You can heal anything. You can heal for others also.
Oh, oh, okay.
Yes.
Hmm.
Try next time.
Okay, I'll do that.
Yes. And how was your assignment yesterday? How did you feel after making the check for yourself?
Oh, I felt rich.
That's so nice. You already felt rich.
Yeah.
Yeah, and in your vision board also you had a similar, I mean, you had made a picture, na?
Yes.
Yeah, in your dream, what was your dream? So I remember.
Yeah.
So yeah, so keep
But
on visualizing.
that was monthly, but this I put it with a purpose in mind, no? Like I was
Yeah,
supposed to.
yes,
Yeah.
yes. So did it feel real?
Yeah.
Absolutely real?
Hmm. Yes.
And my invitation to all of you is that, uh, you know what the mistake, what I remembered my mistake yesterday again. So initially, when I made the check,
Hmm.
since the book said that, it registered in my mind that only that day you have to do, and then you have to stick it at some place. So I stuck it on a board, on my vision board, and I used to see it, but I never used to feel it. You know, feeling is a
Okay.
different thing altogether. So,
Okay.
so I realized my mistake again yesterday, but from which I realized it about a month and a half back also, and I had
Okay.
made this check earlier. What I had made this check in on the last year September.
Hmm.
Okay, so but yeah, so my invitation to all of you is that feel the check every day
Okay.
till the time you feel that you have received the check, you know, received the amount, you've received the money. So keep
Okay.
it, and uh, especially the last thing when you go to sleep in the night, if you can do, it's fine. It's absolutely, I mean, it will work wonders.
Hmm.
And even in the morning when you wake up.
Okay.
Okay, and
Okay.
any other time of the day, but don't
Okay.
do in a hurry ki ha, it's like a, like, you know, it's like a assignment that I
Assignment.
have to do.
Hmm. Hmm.
Just feel it. You
Okay.
will really feel the, you know, the texture of the check. You will feel, you will get a lot of feelings. I don't want to say anything right now. Mind will start thinking that, but each one of us will feel something beautiful.
Okay.
Yes, Hina ji, you want to share anything?
नहीं, बस अच्छा फील हो रहा है पूरे दिन में, क्योंकि खुद भी पॉजिटिव हो गई हूँ, वाइब्स भी पॉजिटिव आ रहे हैं, तो सब कुछ अच्छा फील हो रहा है। और वो असाइनमेंट कल का कर दिया है, बहुत एक्साइटेड थी वो करने के लिए।
आपकी चेक बहुत ब्यूटीफुल, आपने बहुत
Hmm.
अच्छा अमेजिंग चेक क्रिएट किया आपने.
हाँ, थैंक यू।
Yeah, so Bharat bhai is not there.
तो वो
Bharat,
हाँ, वो मेडिटेशन कर रहे हैं, वो ज्वाइंट ही हो गया, अभी उनका चालू है मेडिटेशन।
अच्छा अच्छा, ओके ओके ओके. उन्होंने भी बना लिया ना चेक?
हाँ हाँ, बना लिया।
Okay. What about others? How many people are there? There are 7 people, 7 participants. Anybody else wants to share anything? How was your experience in the area of money you made? Yesterday you made a beautiful magical check. Yes, no, who all have made the check? Apart from those who have shared, that's fine. But who all made the check? Yes, no? You don't want magic in the area of money? Wow, that's so interesting.
Happy morning.
Happy morning.
बंद कर दे.
Blank, you know, still it's blank, you know, check is blank.
Check is blank?
Amount has to be put in yet.
Acha, okay. So when are you planning to put?
I'll put amount something. This time thinking the amount, you know, how much to put, you know.
Okay. So the book also says na put a small amount.
Yeah, I'll do
To start with, you can
smaller
put a
amount.
small amount. It could be 5 lakhs, it could be 1 lakh, maybe it could be 20,000 for some people. Anything
Mm-hmm.
create for yourself. Don't wait. The universe, again and again, I'm just bringing to your notice, the universe doesn't like delays, likes action. So if we delay, we are going to get delays in our life.
Mm-hmm.
If we are prompt, if we act immediately, the universe will give us immediately. So now you decide.
Okay.
Yeah. Anybody else wants to share anything? Yes, I could hear some voice. Anybody wants to share anything before we begin? In another 2 minutes. So we'll start our session at 6 a.m. No sharings? I thought today everybody will share because it was the area of money. Okay. Okay. So we can begin today's session. Today is a long session. And it's a very, very important session today. In fact, all the chapters are important, right? So let's look at the picture. Let's look at the picture. I tried putting it in one page. I don't know. I tried today a lot. Yesterday also I tried. It's not happening. So we have to just imagine, use our imagination to join these two pictures. हमें imagination use करना है, कल्पना शक्ति को use करते हुए दोनों picture को join करके देखना है. So this and this, if you join, how would it look? So anybody wants to say anything? क्या समझ आ रहा है ये picture को देख के?
बलून्स है जो हवा में फ्लाई करने को रेडी है.
Ready है कि fly कर चुके हैं?
फ्लाई कर चुके हैं.
कर चुके हैं.
हाँ जी.
जो अपनी विशेस है वो हमने छोड़ दी है यूनिवर्स में.
हाँ.
और वो यूनिवर्स हमको वो मैजिकल डस्ट के हिसाब से उनका ब्लेसिंग दे रहे हैं.
Yes, amazing, amazing. Yes, please everybody, please join in the conversation. आप अपने आप को unmute करके बोल सकते हैं और फिर आप वापस म्यूट कर लीजिएगा अपने आप को, वो मत भूलिएगा. Yes. Who else wants to say anything? क्या समझ आ रहा है? So what I could understand was that whenever जब भी हम अपने wishes को अपने mind से अपने दिमाग से लिख देते हैं तो our mind becomes as light as the balloon. बलून की तरह जो लाइटनेस, जब बलून जब लाइट होता है, कुछ बलून्स ऐसे होते हैं ना जो ऊपर नहीं जाते हैं और कुछ बलून्स ऐसे होते हैं जिनमें हीलियम गैस होती है, वो ऊपर चले जाते हैं. जिनमें नॉर्मल गैस भरते हैं, जैसे हम अपने मुंह से फुलाते हैं, वो इतनी जल्दी ऊपर नहीं जाते, वो खाली उड़ते हैं खाली हवा में. और कुछ बलून सीधे ऐसे छोड़ो तो एकदम ऊपर की तरफ ही चले जाते हैं. सो व्हेन वी राइट आवर विश लिस्ट, जब हम अपनी ड्रीम्स को जब हम लिख देते हैं तो वो बिल्कुल इतने हल्के हो जाते हैं कि वो फिर यूनिवर्स में बिल्कुल चले जाते हैं. एंड देन द यूनिवर्स makes it true. Then we actually, you know, we have surrendered to the universe. बिल्कुल हम surrender कर देते हैं. So now what do we want to do? Do we want to keep it in our mind or do we want to empty our mind head space और उसको हम लिखना चाहते हैं? Yes, no? Please everybody say yes or no.
Yes, लिखेंगे.
Yes.
So if it's a yes, how many of us have things pending in our lives? हम कितने लोग हम में से ऐसे हैं कि जो हम चीजों को दिमाग में ही चलती रहती है and we keep on procrastinating कि आज नहीं कल करेंगे, सुबह नहीं तो शाम को करेंगे, शाम को कुछ और आ जाता है. And you know, it's amazing, interesting part is that every time we find a new reason for ourselves कि इस कारण से मैंने नहीं किया. Like, you know, for many of us who haven't made the check yesterday, you find a reason for yourself and this keeps on happening. You find, you know, you are moving in that vicious circle. एक दिन, दूसरा दिन, तीसरा दिन, चौथा दिन, मालूम पड़ता है कि इतनी सारी चीजें इकट्ठी हो गई है कि now it becomes difficult that how do I go ahead? Yes, no? How many of us have experienced this?
मैडम ये जो आप बोल रहे हैं ना वो 100% मेरे लिए ट्रू है. एक साथ मेरे दिमाग में कई थॉट्स चलते रहते हैं, किसको इम्प्लीमेंट करें किसको इम्प्लीमेंट ना करें वो पता ही नहीं चलता है. इसके लिए कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा है. मतलब दैट इज द फैक्ट थिंग.
Yes. So are you ready to understand how to do it? Today's chapter will talk about how we can use gratitude's magical power to create magic and miracles in the area of our to-do list. जो जादुई कार्य सूची हम जो हमारे जो आपने अभी शेयर किया. So today we are going to learn how to deal with it. क्या हम कर सकते हैं जिससे हम जो भी सोच रहे हैं वो हम कर लेंगे, और उसके बाद भी इतना टाइम मिलेगा कि हम और कुछ भी कर सकेंगे. You know, you'll ask the universe, now give me more work, give me more work. It will be
Yes.
amazing. Yes? Are
Yes,
you
yes.
all ready?
Yeah, ready.
Yes, we are ready.
Yes.
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 Who is ready to read the chapter today? Today is a big chapter. We can have two readers, so two of you can nominate. Yes? Who wants to read? Should I take a name?
I can read.
Lovely. Can you, is it Bharatji?
Yes.
Okay, yes.
The
Continue.
world, can I start?
Yes, please.
The world is full of magical things waiting for our wits to grow sharper. Eden Phillipotts, 1862 to 1960, novelist and poet.
The world is full of magical things waiting for your wits to grow sharper. Can anybody look in Google? Just type wits. What does that wits? This word wits means. क्या मतलब है इसका? हम हिंदी में भी देख सकते हैं, इंग्लिश में भी देख सकते हैं, दोनों में देख सकते हैं. Wits, WITS, wits. Please Google and see, everyone, and write it on the chat if you can.
It's ability to use words in a clever way.
वाक्चातुर्य, हाजिर जवाबी.
Yeah.
Okay, और क्या है? This
वो
is
Having
किस
particular,
प्रकार, हाँ,
Quick understanding and keen intelligence.
okay, yes.
A natural aptitude for using words and ideas in a quick and inventive way to create humor.
Lovely, yes,
having a particular type of intelligence.
yes. So, Uma, will you repeat what you said?
A natural aptitude for using words and ideas in a quick and inventive way to create humor.
To create humor, yeah. And you know, it's a natural way of, you know, you create your words and ideas. अपने words and ideas को ऐसे बना देते हैं, ऐसे प्रस्तुत करते हैं जिससे humor आता है. So the novelist and poet Eden Phillipotts is telling us that the world is full of magical things waiting for our wits to grow sharper. So the more and more we use our natural intelligence, the more and more we are observant. हम अपने चारों तरफ जब हम observe करते रहते हैं, देखते रहते हैं, सजग रहते हैं कि क्या हो रहा है हमारी चारों तरफ, not with an intention of being rigid, you know, to create humor, अपनी life में उमंग लाना, अपनी life में हंसी लाना, अपनी life में मस्ती लाना, you know, not with a serious note. ऐसा रिजिडिटी के साथ हमें ये नहीं करना है. जैसे ही हम खुले दिमाग से, खुले दिल से काम करेंगे, आपने सबने नोटिस किया होगा कि whenever we are carefree, you know, whenever we are carefree but aware at the same time, vigilant at the same time, using our intelligence at the same time, तो जो चीजें जो हमारे चारों तरफ होती है, जो हम करना चाहते हैं, वो ऐसे हो जाता है, चुटकियों में हो जाता है. And otherwise, what is the other way out? To take stress, उसको वरी के साथ में करना कि यू नो बार बार वही चीजें आ रही हैं, उसी को, तो बुद्धि को पैने होने का इंतजार कर रही है. जो जो सृष्टि है वो हमारी बुद्धि को पैने होने का इंतजार कर रही है. कैसे? We are going to read. Please continue.
Yeah. Really, when you think about it, gratitude is your best friend. It is always there for you, always available to help you. It will never fail you, you or let never fail you or let you down. And the more heavily you lean on it, the more it will do for you, and the more it will enrich your life. Today's magical practice will show you how to lean on gratitude even more, so it can do for more magical things for you.
Far more magical things for you. Yeah. So gratitude is your best friend, isn't it? Isn't it? Isn't gratitude your best friend? So हम हमारे बेस्ट फ्रेंड से हम क्या क्या एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि वो हमेशा जब भी हमें जरूरत हो he or she is available to us, it will never let me down, and हम पूरा शेयर कर सकते हैं. We depend on our best friend, right? Yes, no?
Yes, yes,
Yes. And
Yes.
so today's magical practice will show you, मतलब अभी तक हमने ग्रैटिट्यूड किया है, कृतज्ञता की है, शुक्राना किया है, एंड वी नो द पावर ऑफ ग्रैटिट्यूड. अभी तक वी हैव टेस्टेड द फ्लेवर ऑफ ग्रैटिट्यूड, लेकिन नाउ इट इज गोइंग टू टेल अस दैट only gratitude can change situations in your life. चाहे वो मुश्किल से मुश्किल सिचुएशन क्यों ना हो, any I mean, greatest of the problems come in your way in your life, you can just resolve it, you can just solve it. Yes, please continue.
every day there are little life problems that come up and that need solving. Sometimes we can feel over, overwhelmed overwhelmed if we don't know how to solve a situation. Maybe your problem is that you don't have enough time for all the things you need to do, and you are at a loss because there are only 24 hours in the day. It may be that you feel overwhelmed from work and you want more free time, but you can't see any way to have it. You may be at home taking care of children and you are feeling fragile or exhausted, but you don't have the means to get support to give you time out. You may be faced with a problem that need fixing, but you have no idea which way to turn to fix it. You may have lost something and tried your best to locate it, but had no luck. Or you might want to find something like the perfect pet, perfect babysitter, great hairdresser, or amazing dentist or doctor. That despite your best efforts, you haven't been able to find what you need. You could be an uncomfortable situation because of something a person has asked you to do, and you don't know how to respond to them. Or
Yes,
you
yes, we'll
could be
pause here. So, हमारी life में every day we have little problems in our life and we don't know how to solve. Just like like how you shared, Bharat ji, that there are so many things working in my mind, लेकिन I'm confused, like what to do, what not to do, right? Yes,
right.
no, and we all have a similar situation in our life. Yes, no, everybody write it on the chat. Yes, no,
Yes, yes.
all
Yes.
face, na?
Yes.
कि time come, and now I'm going to tell you a magical thing. Okay, is everybody with me? Yes,
Yes.
no?
Yes.
Yes.
So tell me one thing कि एक साल में कितने महीने होते हैं?
12.
12. Okay. And एक दिन में कितने घंटे होते हैं?
24.
24.
24 hours.
24 hours. Okay, very good. And supposing I tell you that you wake up 2 hours early or maybe 1 hour early. So let's assume 2 hours early, minimum 2 hours early. तो अगर आप 2 घंटे पहले अगर उठ पा रहे हैं तो आपकी लाइफ में आपने 2 घंटे ऐड कर दिए, प्रोडक्टिव 2 घंटे ऐड कर दिए. So 2 into 365 days is how much? Anybody can calculate fast? जो maths में good है, who is good in maths, or you can just calculate. अपने आप भी calculate लिख के कर सकते हैं. 2 into 365 is
7 to 5.
7:20.
7:20 or 7?
7.
Huh, sorry.
7:30.
7:30.
30.
7:30, right? Okay. Now, so अगर हम 2 घंटा पहले अगर उठ पा रहे हैं, जितने भी टाइम अभी तक आज तक के दिन में हम जितने भी बजे उठ रहे हैं, या हम जल्दी उठ पा रहे हैं, like I'm telling for those people who are waking up little late. तो अगर आप 2 घंटे अपनी जिंदगी में आपने ऐड कर दिए, तो आपने कितने आज अपनी जिंदगी में ऐड कर दिए? 7:30. Now, अगर एक महीने में अगर एक दिन में 24 घंटे for 24 hours in a day, तो एक महीने 30 into 24 is how much?
$720.
So now coming back to the first thing, जब आप लोगों ने बोला कि एक साल में 12 महीने होते हैं, अगर मैं ऐसा बोलूं कि एक साल में 13 महीने, मैं आपको 13 महीने देती हूँ. So now you have actually added 1 month to your life, 1 extra month to your life, isn't it?
Yes.
So beautiful. Can we do this? Can we start doing this? जिनको लगता है कि हमें we are not able to do things, हमारे पास टाइम ही नहीं है, इतनी सारी चीजें हो गई हैं, can we do this? Can we get this magic, bring this magic into our life? इसे और कोई नहीं कर सकता, हम ही कर सकते हैं. Amazing ना? आज से हमारी जिंदगी में अगर कोई बोलेगा कि एक साल में कितने महीने, तो हम क्या बोलेंगे? 13 months. 13 months, provided we are waking up, we are bringing that 2 hours of those productive 2 hours in our life, and then see how magics will start appearing in your life. So start waking up at 4:30 in the morning and see the amazing results that you get in your to-do list, in your work, in your day, in your health, in your career, everywhere. Try doing it. Yes? Yes? Nobody is saying yes?
Yes.
Lovely. 1 minute. Again, this thing is come. So we can start to read. 1 minute. Yes. Please continue. Or you could be the last line. Start from the last line.
Or you could be in some kind of dispute with someone, and instead of getting it resolved, things seem to be getting worse.
Yes.
The magical to-do list practice will help you with any little day-to-day problems when you don't know what to do, or when you simply want something to be done for you. You will be amazed at the results. When you combine gratitude's magical power with the law of attraction, people, circumstances, and events must be rearranged to do what you want done for you. You will not know how it will happen or how it will be done for you, and that is not your job. Your job is simply to be grateful as you can be for what you want done right now, as thought it were done, and then let the magic happen.
Just read this again. Your job is simply to be as grateful as you can. Just read the sentence again. Yes.
The job is simply to be as grateful as you can be for that you want done right now.
For what you want done right now.
Right now.
As though
it were done, and then let the magic happen.
Yes. So so what is this book telling us? That just this magical to-do list practice, जो हमारी day-to-day problems हैं, जैसे even the smallest thing that I want to wake up early in the morning and go for a morning walk, or I want to do things, I want to get ready fast, or I want to reach office on time, and not give the excuse that अरे आज तो traffic था इसके लिए. The traffic is there, you have to reach on time, but अगर आप अपने डे को पहले प्लान कर लें and accordingly you leave home, then you will be able to reach before time. Okay, but ऐसा हम सोचते हैं पर शायद हो नहीं पा रहा है. तो आज हमें पता चल जाएगा कि हम उसे कैसे रिजॉल्व कर सकते हैं. Yes, please continue.
Screen आ गई again.
Yeah, एक second. Now you can.
Today, create a written to-do list of the most important things you would like to be done or resolved for you, and title your list the magical to-do list. You might put things on your list that you don't have time to do or don't want to do, along with any current problems. From the smallest day-to-day things to bigger life situations. Think through any area of your life where you need something resolved or done for you. When you finish making your list, choose 3 things from your list to focus on day, and one at a time. Imagine that each item has been magically done for you. Imagine that all people, circumstances, and events have been moved to do it for you, and it is now done. All done, all sorted, all solved for you, and you are giving massive thanks in return for it having been done. Spend at least 1 minute on each of your items, believing it is done, and feelings uh, enormous gratitude in return.
Yes. So now, what is the book telling us is that पहले हमें क्या करना है, जितनी भी जो unfinished job, unfinished task, unfinished work, pending work है, उसे हम लिख लेंगे. चाहे वो कितनी भी हो जाए, जितनी रुकना नहीं है, जितने भी लास्ट 1 मंथ से 1 साल से जो भी आपके दिमाग में जब आप लिखने बैठ रहे हो, तो इट्स अ कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड प्रैक्टिस विच वी आर डूइंग टुडे. तो वो आप लिख लोगे पहले, फिर उनमें से यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट 3 थिंग्स ओनली फ्रॉम योर लिस्ट, जिनमें हमें फोकस डालना है, जिनमें हमें एनर्जी डालना है. एंड हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू इमेजिन दैट ईच आइटम वो हो चुका है हमारी लाइफ में, हमें मिल चुका है वो. सो वेदर इट्स पीपल, वेदर इट्स सर्कमस्टांसेस, वेदर इट्स इवेंट्स, जब हम वैसा करेंगे उनके लिए, जब हम अपनी एनर्जी उसमें डालना शुरू कर देंगे, जब हम अपना फोकस उसमें डालना शुरू कर देंगे, तो एक्चुअली दैट थिंग स्टार्ट्स मूविंग टुवर्ड्स यू. दैट इज द मैजिक. So that magic we are creating in our life. So anybody else wants to read now? Thank you, Bharat ji, for reading this.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes. Who wants to read? Yes, Chandrika. Shall I go to the previous line? Yeah. Or you could be.
We can't see
This is the first page. Yeah, sorry. So yeah, you read from here, spend at least 1 minute in each of the 3 items.
Spend at least 1 minute on each of your 3 items, believing it is done and feeling enormous gratitude in return. You can follow the same practice on the rest of the items on your list at another time. But there is power in simply putting the things you want done on the magical to-do list. Remember that the law of attraction says like attracts like. And that means that when you are grateful for the solutions as though you have them, you will attract everything you need into your life to resolve the situation. Focusing on problems attracts more problems. You have to be a magnet to the solution, not a magnet to the problem. Being grateful that you have the solution and that it has been resolved attracts the solution.
So very powerful, this line. Focusing on the problems attracts more problems. You have to be, somebody is not muted. Can you please mute yourself other than the reader? There's some back, कुछ आवाज आ रही है. Please can you unmute, mute yourself? Everybody, can you check, please? Okay, thank you. So I am remembering a beautiful story over here, which I would like to share. So this, just think about it. Focusing on problems attracts more problems. So what do you have to do? You be grateful that you have the solution and that it has been resolved. You attract the solution. तो हमारे focus को shift करना है. So let's understand with this beautiful story. So there was a contractor who used to make roads, and he was living in a city, but one day he gets a contract of in some village, so he has to go and visit the village. So he decides one day that I would drive, and it was a beautiful weather, और उसने सोचा कि मैं खुद ही drive करके जाऊंगा, I will not take my driver. So yeah, so he decides, he goes to the village, he sees the site, and when he's returning, शाम हो जाती है. एंड so when he is returning back ना, जब वो अपने वापस अपने घर आ रहा है, तो रास्ते में there is a pull, there is a bridge which he has to cross to go to his, like there's that bridge which is connecting the village and his city and another village, not his city but another village. So he is crossing the bridge, and suddenly he senses, उसको ऐसा महसूस होता है कि one of the tires have become flat. So he gets down, he sees, and so he decides, now what do I do? So he, just imagine, that man is sitting in his car on top of a bridge, middle of a bridge, and then he gets down and the car is not moving further because एक टायर फ्लैट हो गया है, उसमें से हवा कम हो गई है. So now what he does is he says, okay, what I can do is that वो अपना स्टेपनी निकालता है and he changes the tire. टायर मतलब वो स्टेपनी, वो टायर को निकालता है, उसको नट्स को, एक टायर में 4 नट्स होते हैं, उन्हें वो निकाल के रख देता है जमीन पे, सड़क पे. and he is about to take the flat tire and put it in the bonnet of his car. पीछे डिक्की में जब रखने जाता है, तो उसके पांव से वो जो नट्स होते हैं वो फिसल के रिवर में गिर जाते हैं. And now he is in a fix. Now he says, what do I do? So he, and वो ऐसी जगह पे है जहां से दूसरा विलेज 20 किलोमीटर की दूरी पे है, and शाम हो रही है, and there is nobody whom he can see around. कोई भी नहीं दिख रहा है, and he doesn't know what to do. So then he's just sitting and और ज्यादा worry, और ज्यादा anxiety कि अब रात हो रही है, अब मैं क्या करूंगा, and he is all alone, there is nobody around him. Suddenly he sees a farmer, एक farmer दिखता है उसे, वो आके, and then farmer he asks कि farmer मतलब किसान. So वो आता है and he asks, बाबूजी क्या बात है, आप बहुत worried लग रहे हो, चिंता में हो, क्या बात है, कुछ हो गया है? So he says yes, ऐसा नहीं. First he says that he thinks कि अरे ये तो farmer है, ये क्या मुझे कुछ बता पाएगा? तो he says no, I mean he says नहीं कोई बात नहीं, मुझे आप नहीं समझ पाओगे मेरी क्या प्रॉब्लम है. he says एक बार बताओ तो सही, शायद हो सकता है I can help you in any way. So he tells the farmer ऐसा ऐसा हुआ है. And now the moment the farmer listens, he's just thinking, एक मिनट सोचता है, कुछ देर सोचता है, and then he says, क्या आप एक काम कर सकते हो? तो he said yes, tell me. So he says, आपके 3 टायर है आपकी गाड़ी में, उनमें जो नट्स है, एक एक टायर में 4-4 नट है, तो आप एक काम कर सकते हो, एक एक नट को निकाल के ये जो टायर है, जो आपको जो चौथी टायर है उसमें आप लगा सकते हो, और ऐसे सिचुएशन में आपकी गाड़ी चलने लग जाएगी, और आप धीरे धीरे चला के उस विलेज तक पहुंच जाओगे जहां पे एक मैकेनिक है, वो तो आपकी गाड़ी को बिल्कुल ठीक कर देगा, पर आप यहाँ से निकल के उधर तक इस ऐसा करने से आप पहुंच पाओगे. And that man is amazed. He's looking at him and saying, क्या आप मैकेनिक हो? क्या आपको ये ऐसे solution आया कैसे दिमाग में? So he says, I am not a mechanic. I am just a farmer. The moment you said that you are in a problem, जब से आपने अपनी problem को share किया, my focus was only in that thing कि इसका solution क्या है. My focus was only in the solution, and my mind could give me the solution. So we all have a solution in our mind, and you will be amazed that sometimes, if you are aware, before a problem comes, the solution is already there in our life. How many of us have noticed this? Yes, no?
Yes, yes.
कि पहले प्रॉब्लम आने के पहले सोल्यूशन पहले ही आ जाता है लाइफ में. यस, नो, आई कुड हियर ओनली वन यस.
यस, हमको उसको फील करना पड़ता है.
यस, क्या? सॉरी,
ये जो सॉल्यूशन प्रॉब्लम्स होती है उसका सॉल्यूशन होता है, लेकिन वो सॉल्यूशन हमको फील करना पड़ता है. हाँ, ये सॉल्यूशन है उसका.
यस, वो अगर आप अपना फोकस उसमें डालेंगे तो the solution will come on its own and you will only come up with the solution. Yes?
Yes.
Please continue.
To demonstrate how powerful this magical practice is, I want to share a story with you about my daughter, who used this practice to attract her lost wallet back to her. After being out one night, my daughter discovered the next morning that she did not have her wallet, and she had no idea where she might have lost it, or even if it had been stolen. She called the restaurant where she went to dinner, the taxi company she used to come home, the local police station, and she searched the streets and knocked on surroundings' doors. But no one had found her wallet. Other than the fact that my daughter's wallet contained the usual precious things in it, including all her bank and credit cards, driver's license, and cash, her biggest concern was that her wallet contained no current contact information. Because she had been overseas for some time, she didn't have a publicly listed phone number, and with a common surname, there seemed to be no hope.
So now Rhonda Bhain is sharing her daughter's magical, story, what she went through. That one night she discovered that she lost her wallet, and we all know na wallet में क्या क्या important things रहते हैं, credit card रहते हैं, then money is there, all our driving, now we have the Aadhaar card, everything we put in our wallet, right? So then she lost, and she didn't know. Actually, first of all, at first place, she didn't know only that she had lost. But when she came to know, she started now immediately. What will happen? Worry, anxiety. That, oh, now what will I do? But what she did was, and she said that she didn't have her contact number भी नहीं था कोई, because she had been overseas for some time. And she didn't have a publicly listed phone number. Amazing part, huh? Just make a note of this. She didn't have a publicly listed phone number, and with a common surname, there seemed to be no hope. So उनका कोई भी information, कोई भी number, कुछ भी नहीं था उसमें. Now let's see what happens.
But despite the seemingly impossible obstacles, my daughter sat down, closed her eyes, and got a picture of her wallet in her mind. She visualized that she was holding her wallet in her hands. She opened her wallet, she went through all it contains, and she felt enormous gratitude that she had her wallet and everything in it back and in her hands. For the rest of the day, whenever she thought of it, again my daughter imagined she had her wallet in her hands, and she felt enormous elations and gratitude that her wallet had been returned to her. Later that night, she received a call from a farmer who lived 100 miles away, saying that he had found her wallet. The extraordinary part of the story is that the farmer had found the wallet in the street. I cannot see the last line.
In the street outside my daughter's home.
Okay, outside my daughter's home in the early hours of the morning, and he immediately searched the wallet looking for contact details. He made several calls in trying to find its owner, but to no avail, and so he gave up and drove back to his farm with the wallet. But while he was walking out in the fields at his farm, the wallet kept nagging and nagging at him, and he decided to search through it one last time. He found a small piece of paper with a man's Christian name written out on it, and so he put the Christian name together with my daughter's surname and called directory assistance. There was just one listing for that Christian name and surname. The farmer called the number, and it was the home of my daughter's father. To this day, we do not know how the farmer got that phone number because it was an unlisted number. We called.
Yes. So now, so what did she do? The first thing she realized is that she closed her eyes and got a picture of a wallet in her mind. Because she could do this because she was quite calm, she was quite focused, and she knew the magical power of gratitude. And we all have this power now. So we all can, anytime if we feel that we need to do this, we can just do this and see for ourselves. So she visualized that she was holding her wallet in her hands. उसने imagine किया कि वो wallet उसके पास में है, और she kept on doing that. And later at night, she received a call from a farmer who lived 100 miles away and saying that he found her wallet. Now the farmer was 100 miles away, and उसे कैसे मिला और उसने कैसे उसका नंबर मिला जबकि उसका नंबर listed नहीं था, and so yeah, let's read. We call the directory assistance.
We called directory assistance ourselves several times after this happened, and the response every time was sorry, there is no listing for that name. From 100 miles away through the most extraordinary sequence of seemingly impossible events, my daughter's wallet was returned to her intact. She fulfilled her part in being grateful that she had her wallet back. And as must happen, gratitude performed its magic and moved every person, circumstance, and event to return her wallet to her.
Yes, we'll pause here. We'll pause here. Yeah. So let's understand what actually happened. What is Rhonda Byrne trying to tell us through this example, and also from the previous example, what we from the previous story which we discussed is that there is a flow of energy from one person to the other. Here the daughter was sitting and closing her eyes and sending her energies to the universe, through the universe, to the wallet, and whoever has that, I mean, wo khali apni energies, uski energies was going from her to the wallet, and the wallet was receiving her energies, and the wallet was with the farmer. So the farmer in turn was receiving the energies which the girl was giving to the wallet. So just make a note of this sentence, that while he was walking out in the fields at his farm, and the daughter didn't do just once, she kept on doing it because she had the faith that she will get the wallet. उसको वो पूरा फेथ था कि उसे वो वॉलेट मिलना ही है, चाहे जैसा भी हो उसे मिलना ही है. That's why she was giving her intention, she was giving her energies. And remember one thing, wherever energy flows, where your attention goes, जहां भी हमारा attention जाता है, चाहे वो problems में हो, चाहे वो solution में हो, energy वही flow करनी शुरू कर देती है. So she was, her energies were flowing to the wallet. The wallet was with the farmer. The wallet kept nagging and nagging at him. मतलब वो wallet से कुछ ऐसी energies आ रही थी जो वो farmer को बार बार मजबूर कर रही थी कि देखो क्या मिल सकता है, कि ये जो owner है उसको मैं I can contact the owner. बार बार उसके पास वही energies आ रही थी. So beautiful ना, कि कुछ भी नहीं था उसमें, खाली एक क्रिश्चियन नेम था जो Rhonda Byrne's daughter's father, she's written, because she was divorced, so she's written that it was the number of It was the number of my daughter's father. And to this day, we do not know how the farmer got that number. It was amazing, na? So अगर हम gratitude की magical power से universe में अपनी energies भेजते हैं, तो यूनिवर्स कंस्पायर्स, मतलब वो यूनिवर्स का काम है कि अब उसको कैसे अरेंज करेगा कि हमें वो चीज मिल जाएगी. So that is what happened actually with Rhonda Byrne's daughter, that she was so focused. उसने अपना फोकस सिर्फ इसी में लगाया कि मुझे वो वॉलेट कैसे मिलेगा. वो ऐसा भी तो सोच सकती थी ना कि उसमें वो वरी भी कर सकती थी कि उसमें मेरी कितनी सारी चीजें हैं, कितने सारे क्रेडिट कार्ड्स हैं, मे बी कितनी इंपॉर्टेंट पेपर्स हैं, या फिर कितने सारे कैश है. शी कुड हैव स्टार्टेड वरिंग दैट वे आल्सो ना, बट शी टुक दिस वे, एंड दिस इज what we all need to learn, that we can do, and we can bring it into our own lives for anything and everything. So why this example? So this example is telling us that wherever we put our energy, we will attract that in our life. Like attracts like. जैसे जैसे हम करेंगे, जैसा जैसा हम एनर्जी भेजेंगे, वैसा वैसा वो ही एनर्जीज हमारे पास वापस आएगी. So she fulfilled her part in being grateful that she had her wallet back, and as must happen, gratitude performed its magic and moved every person, circumstance, and event to return her wallet to her. This is the power of gratitude. This is the power of gratitude. Yes, please continue.
The magical power of gratitude is available for you to use as well. And it always has been. You just had to discover it for yourself and learn how to use it. Magical practice number 18, the magical to-do list. Number 1, count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you are grateful. Reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for that blessings as you can. Number 2, create a written list of the most important things or problems you need done or solved. Title your list the magical to-do list. Number 3, choose 3 of the most important things for your list, and one at a time imagine that each thing has been done for you. Number 4, spend at least 1 minute on each thing, believing it is done and feeling enormous gratitude in return. Number 5, just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words, thank you for the best thing that happened during the day.
Thank you, Chandrika, for reading this chapter for us. Thank you so much. So now the magical to-do list. What is our assignment? First, count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. We all know that. Reread your list and why you are grateful, and then you say thank you, thank you, thank you. And feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. Then create a written list of the most important things or problems you need to be done or solved. So whatever is there in our head space, till now, we are going to empty that into a piece of paper wherein we write everything what we have not been able to do since maybe 1 month, or maybe 7 days, or maybe a week, or maybe yesterday what we thought and we couldn't do, and it's going on ना. सुबह उठे तो फिर वही याद आ रहा है, अरे वो नहीं किया, रात को सोने के पहले भी वही याद आ रहा है, ऐसा it's possible, right? But and title your list the magical to-do list. उस लिस्ट का नाम जरूर लिखना है, don't forget that, because it has some energies. वो energies आप उसमें उस पेपर में जब आप लिखोगे तो it will carry some energies and it will start making things happen the way you want it to be. Now what you have to do, so जब आप ये लिखेंगे ना तो इसमें जरूरी नहीं है 10 ही लिखना है, आप 10 से ज्यादा भी लिख सकते हो. You can write more than 10. जितने भी आ रहे हैं you have to, जितनी भी आपके दिमाग में बातें चल रही है जो इनकम्प्लीट है उसे आपको लिखना है. Then Choose 3 of the most important things from your list and one at a time imagine that each thing has been done for you. उसमें से अब 3 मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग्स को चूज करना है उस लिस्ट से एंड हो सके तो आप या तो टिक कर दीजिए या फिर उनको वापस अलग से लिख लीजिए एंड वन एट अ टाइम एक एक लिस्ट को लेके एक एक जो चीज आप नहीं कर पाए हो उन्हें लेके आपको इमेजिन करना है उसमें अब अपनी एनर्जी डालनी है यू हैव टू पुट योर फोकस ऑन दैट ईच थिंग हैज बीन डन फॉर यू तो आप अपनी अपनी लाइफ में ऐसे इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग्स ढूंढ सकते हैं और आप लिख सकते हैं एंड देन वॉट एवर इज मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर यू आप उसे इमेजिन करना है नाउ इमेजिन कैसे करना है कि एक एक डिटेलिंग इमेजिन करना है यू नो कि अगर आप ये चीज नहीं कर पाए और अगर आप वो अगर आपकी लाइफ में हो गया तो फिर आप कैसे फील करोगे फर्स्ट तो आपको उस फीलिंग जोन में जाना है डोंट ऑपरेट फ्रॉम अ फीलिंग जोन कि ये नहीं हो पा रहा है या ये प्रॉब्लम्स आ रही है नाउ दैट टाइम डोंट थिंक ऑफ दोज प्रॉब्लम्स जस्ट थिंक ऑफ द सोल्यूशन कि कैसे हो रहा है ये आपकी लाइफ में spend at least 1 minute on each thing believing it is done and feeling enormous gratitude in return very very important say thank you this has been done thank you this I have been able to do this thank you I went there thank you I met that person you know just keep on saying thank you and just before you go to sleep tonight hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words thank you for the best thing that happened during the day. So we have completed the reading of today's chapter. How many of us have already identified in our lives जैसे जैसे हम ये चैप्टर पढ़ रहे थे हमने किन किन लोगों ने ये आइडेंटिफाई कर लिया कि हाँ ये चीज है जिसमें मुझे वर्क करना है yes no who all have identified just write yes no nobody
Yes.
okay yes
Yes.
yeah कितने लोगों के दिमाग में एक से ज्यादा या 2 से ज्यादा या 3 से ज्यादा चीजें आ रही है या 10 से ज्यादा चीजें आ रही है नो
Yes.
Yes, I have.
yes
Yes.
so now we know how to do it
Yeah.
yes so
Yes.
are we all ready to take charge of our lives are we all ready to just sit today or see you know the universe we always get opportunities in our life हमेशा यूनिवर्स हमें अपॉर्चुनिटीज देता है अभी उसको कैसे ग्रैब करना है दैट इज इन आवर हैंड्स we can still say array there's so much you know maybe you I don't know I'm just assuming that maybe you will say to yourself I'll do it and then the day ends and then you won't be able to do it so the best time to do it is just immediately after the session today we'll be doing a visualization today which is a very very beautiful visualization and it's a very powerful one also so you will be in a different space after the visualization so my invitation to all of you is that immediately after that if you can sit and write and do today's assignment it will be of great help to you you will be only helping yourself I can only, I can only tell you, I can only, the book, not I, but the book can only guide you. But the step has to be taken by each one of us. Okay? So, anybody has any queries? Anybody has any questions as regards today's assignment? Today's chapter is there? Anybody has anything to ask? You can ask before we begin the visualization. Yes. और एनीबडी हैज एनी शेयरिंग्स आपकी लाइफ में कुछ मैजिक्स अपीयर हो रहे हैं उसके बारे में आपको बात करनी है एनीबडी वांट्स टू शेयर यस नो nobody so we can start the visualization everybody is ready for it
Yes.
okay before we start you can just mute yourselves everybody because any slightest of the noise will disturb everyone. Because when we do visualization, we are in a very powerful state. We are in a very powerful state of manifesting things in our life. Our, our energy goes into a very different space. So if we can all do that, yes, everybody has checked. Okay. So now make yourself very, very comfortable today. It's a bit long. Maybe it will take it's a little longer than the usual visualizations which we have done in the past. So if you want to make sure that you are not disturbed by anything, no phone calls, no noises. I mean, you can silent your phone, keep your phone in silent mode, and make yourself as comfortable as you can. So, whether you're sitting on a chair or on the ground, make yourself very, very comfortable. Today's visualization is about that we are the maker of our own destiny. As humans, whatever we have created is the manifestation of our own minds. So, the most important part of creating is to manifest first within the mindscape. पहले हम अपने अंदर की दुनिया में मैनिफेस्ट करते हैं, उसके बाद वो हमारी बाहर की दुनिया में मैनिफेस्ट अपने आप होने लगता है. So what is powerfully established in our mind is bound to find manifestation in actuality. So now sit in a comfortable position. Keep your legs uncrossed, palms in the thighs. अपने दोनों palms को अपने thighs पे रख दीजिए. Palms facing upward, ready to receive the magical energies, ready to receive the magic from the universe. Keep your eyes closed. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, relax into it. Take another deep breath, and as you exhale, relax even more. Take one more deep breath, and this time feel a wave of relaxation. Feel a wave of relaxation in your entire body. Now, bring your attention to your feet, both the feet. Tense your feet. Tense, tense, tense. And then relax. Now tense your calf muscles, which are above your ankles and below your knees, the back of your legs. The back of your legs, above your ankles and below your knees. Tense, 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 and then relax. Now tighten your thigh muscles. Tense your thigh muscles. Tense, tense. Consciously do it. Consciously do it. Tense and then relax. Tense your hip and stomach muscles. We are consciously doing it. Bring your attention to your hip and stomach muscles. Tense, 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 and then relax. Tense the muscles in your chest, shoulders, and back. Tense those muscles, tense, tense, feel it, tense, and then relax. Relax it completely, let it go, let it become soft, let it become relaxed completely. Feel this relaxation. Tense your neck muscles. If there is already any tension in your neck muscles, tense it more slightly. Tense, 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 and then relax. Tense the muscles on your face and neck, the back of the head. You can make faces, unusual faces with your using the face muscles in the face. Consciously do it. And tense, tense more, tense, and then relax. Now take a deep breath. And as you exhale, completely relax. Feel this wave of relaxation running from the top of your head to the tips of the toes, your front body, your back body, the sides of your body, completely relaxed. And now, when you have experienced this state of relaxation, visualize, see yourself, imagine yourself climbing the peak of a mountain. Visualize yourself climbing the peak of a mountain. Feel the cold air as you're climbing up. Feel your breaths go in, and you are now breathing in rapidly with gasps like this. Like this. If you've heard the sound of my breath, just breathe in rapidly. And carry on breathing like this. Rapidly as you can. We are rapidly breathing in gasps, inhaling and exhaling with a sound. And carry on. Continue to breathe like this. Continue breathing rapidly with this sound. As you are climbing, you are breathing rapidly. Continue to do so. I will tell you when to pause. I will tell you when to pause. Carry on breathing like this. And now you have reached the top of a mountain. Continue to breathe in rapid gasps. Standing upon the peak of a very tall mountain, you are there. You have reached the peak of a very tall mountain. See it clearly that you are standing at the peak. As you look down at the smaller peaks, the valleys, the dwellings, the houses of those people who have dared not thought of climbing the mountain. Enjoy the cool air. Enjoy the experience of standing there. Enjoy the clouds. Enjoy that soft air. Enjoy the smell of the air that is entering your nostrils. Feel the smell of the cold mountain air within your nostrils. Continue to feel the special feeling of being there upon that peak. And now when you are in that beautiful experience, that beautiful space, See a small spot of bright light. See a small spot of bright light up here in the center of your forehead. See a small spot of bright light in the center of your forehead. See it growing into a beam of light. This light from your forehead is projecting itself into a shaft of white light. It is growing, it is growing. This light from your forehead is mingling with a shaft of white light, and it is 10 centimeters outside your forehead. See it growing about a meter in length. The more and more you are with this bright light, the more and more you will feel it growing. And it's growing 3 meters, 10 meters, 100 meters, and 1,000 meters. See this beam, इस रोशनी को जो आपके forehead से निकल रहा है, and जो grow होते जा रहा है, grow होते जा रहा है. See this beam of light from your forehead. Feel it. It's now reached the horizon. क्षितिज से मिल गया है वो light. See this white beam of light projecting beyond the horizon into the infinite. अब वो infinite अनंत अनंत में मिल गया है. अब वो लाइट एक अनंत स्पेस में है, जिसे हम ब्रह्मांड कह सकते हैं, जिसे हम यूनिवर्स कह सकते हैं. This light has merged with that light of the infinite. See this white beam of light projecting beyond the horizon into the infinite. And now remember 3 of your desires, one by one. Just remember 3 of your desires, your dreams, आपके सपने, आपकी इच्छाएं. Just remember them. And when you have remembered, just see the first dream. See it clearly. See it clearly. Be specific about it. What is it that you want to accomplish? आप क्या चाहते हैं? What is that you want to manifest? See that you have already accomplished. आपको वो मिल गया है, उसे आप पा चुके हो. And smile beautifully. Just give a very, very beautiful smile. See that you have already got it, you have accomplished it, and hold it in your mind. Hold it in your breaths. Hold it in every cell of your body. You have made it come true. Wow, wow. You're feeling on top of the world. Wow, you've made it. Made it. Thank you. Thank you so much. And now the next dream you desire. Be specific about what you wish to accomplish, what you wish to bring in your life. See it clearly. Be as specific as you can. See it being accomplished. आपने उसे पा लिया है. वो चीज, वो ड्रीम आपकी लाइफ में रियल बन गई है. How happy you're feeling. Be as grateful as you can feel. How blessed you feel. What you accomplished. Whatever you wanted, you have accomplished that. That dream, feel the joy of it. Feel the power of it. Feel it. Feel it in every trillions of cells in your body. Feel it in your muscles. Feel it in your bones. Feel it in your tissues. Feel it in every organ of this body. Feel it. Feel it. Feel it. The more and more you can feel it, the more and more real it will become. You have accomplished that thing. And now come to the third dream. See that third desire that you wanted to accomplish. Be as specific as you can. Remember, the universe understands when you give clear instructions, when you be specific. So now you can include the well-being of your near and dear ones. See it as clearly as you can. Hold it in your mind. Feel it in every cell of your body. Feel the joy, the power of fulfilling your dreams and the well-being, and let it spread around you. Feel that it's spreading around you once it has entered your cells, your bones, your tissues, your flesh, your skin. And it's coming out, it's flowing out and spreading all around you. See it and feel it as clearly, as deeply as you can. Feel it, be in that space. Feel the joy, feel the power of it and the well-being that it spreads around. जो खुशी आपको मिल रही है, जो अनुभव हो रहा है अभी, उसे पूरी तरह अपने शरीर के हर एक सेल में फील करिए, हर एक टिश्यू में फील करिए, हर एक बोन में फील करिए, हर एक मसल में, हर एक ऑर्गन में, अपने रोम रोम में उसे फील करिए. And just be in this beautiful space for some more time. Feel that joy, feel that power, feel that excitement. Wow, I'm feeling on top of the world. I have achieved. I have fulfilled my dreams, my desires. And right now I have been able to fulfill only 3 of them. And I know I can fulfill all my dreams and desires. I know I can do it. And I have done it. I take charge of my life now. I take charge of my life. I take charge of my life. Slowly become aware of your body. Become aware of your breaths. Become aware of this present moment. This present moment, which is the wonderful moment, a gift of God, a gift of the divine, a gift from the universe. Be aware of it. And place your right palm on your heart center and the left palm over it. Feel your heart responding to this touch. Feel your heart happy with this touch. Feel that happy feeling radiating from the center of your palms, reaching your heart, and the happiness flowing from your heart, that joy, that excitement, that power, flowing from your heart into your palms, from your palms flowing into your entire body, and flowing out of this body. Feel it in your energy body. Feel it completely. Be as imaginative as you can. Be as creative as you can. And then slowly take your palms, place it on your face. Gently touch your face, your eyes, lovingly. Feel that love radiating from every cell of your being. And gently take it down to your neck, to your chest. Gently touch your right arm. Gently touch your left arm. Touch your chest, your belly. Whichever part of the body you are in a position to touch, move your palms on your legs, move it in your lower back, move it in every part of your body that you can. And slowly, when you are ready, you can open your eyes. Yes, anybody has any sharings? What did you experience? How was your experience?
अमेजिंग। उस जगह पे पहुंच गए थे जहाँ पे काम करना था।
Wow, so beautiful. So amazing, na? Thank you. Thank you for sharing. Who else? क्या मैं?
Hi. Mm,
Yes, yes, for
I,
yeah.
actually, I don't want to come back from that peak of the mountain. It was so beautiful.
So beautiful, na? Yeah.
Yeah.
That space is really precious and beautiful. Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
And you can do this quite often for yourself. You can do this for
Oh,
all your dreams. You
right.
know, you can manifest anything in your life, anything and everything you can manifest.
Right.
Amazing. Thank you. Thank you for sharing. Thank you so much. Who else?
Thank you.
और किसे लग रहा है कि now I can manifest anything. I can make things come true in my life with this power which is there within me. This power is not outside, but it's there within me. How many of us realized it?
It's done.
Yes.
Yes, I
ऐसे
can.
ऐसे लग रहा
I
है
can.
हो गया.
So nice, so beautiful.
और पूरी बॉडी में वो जैसे वाइब्रेशन हो रहा था कुछ टाइम के लिए, तो और अमेजिंग फीलिंग हुआ.
Thank you, thank you.
थैंक यू.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you for your sharings. Yes, anybody else? What did you experience? क्या महसूस हुआ? Please, I am inviting all of you to share.
I want to share something.
Yes, ma'am.
Last day when I went for bath, I
Yeah.
suddenly remember your words that you told us, have you ever paid gratitude that you have so many things in your bathroom? So I saw 3-4 types of soap. I started it consciously. I noticed 2-3 shampoos, warm water coming right from the tap. And I paid gratitude that I have bathed so many times till today, but I have never paid conscious attention towards these small things.
Yeah, yeah.
And I was feeling very happy that I am the blessed one who can bath with this much facilities.
Yes, yes.
And when I started pouring water on me, I can feel the water on my body, the even little one drop. So I was enjoying my bath.
That's really beautiful. That's really beautiful.
It sounds maybe what I don't know, but I was enjoying bath. And it was not only bathing, I was cleaning my auras too. I was cleaning and wiping my negativity.
Lovely.
And it was a refreshing and rejuvenating, and I can't express. I thought that I really bathed for the first time.
Yes. Lovely,
It was
lovely.
amazing.
Amazing, huh? So
Yes.
yes, it was really, really very, very powerful that you shared just now. That when you feel even the droplets of water, even after you have, you can try this also. That even after you have completed bathing, and then you can just be in that space, be in that moment. Just take time, 2 minutes, 1 minute, 1 second, 2 seconds. Just be within that space and feel the droplets of water trickling down your body. You will feel an amazing gratitude towards water. Something
Yes.
within you will shift. Just try, for those of us, if we can try today.
It
If we
was
are,
like meditation for a few minutes.
yes, indeed it is. I was just about to say that it's a very, very powerful meditation. And we can do this, and you don't know how many things will shift in your body after doing that. It's a very, very powerful meditation. And remember, we did that chapter that if there is magic on this earth, it is in water. Beautiful, na? If there's magic on this earth, the two magic ingredients which we did, which were the two magic ingredients? Can anybody tell me?
Food and water.
Yes. So the if and there was a quote which said that if there is magic on earth, it is in water. It is in water. Yeah. So anybody has any sharings? It reminds me of the rice experiment which we did. Anybody has any sharings of the rice experiment? Till now, have you experienced anything? Yes, no, nobody. Okay. So now then, if there is no sharing, nobody wants to share anything, or we are clear with today's assignment, then we can end today's session. And thank you, all of you.
Thank
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 you
you.
you.
so much
Thank
for
you.
being
Thank
there in
you.
today's session, attending the session with full awareness. And I'm so grateful to all of you. Have a magical day. Thank
Thank you.
you.
Thank
Thank
Thank you,
you.
you.
Thank
Vandana.
you.
Thank you,
Vandana.
Vandana
So
ji.
much.